Hi Dress It Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw an axolotl, so let's get started. To draw this super cute salamander, let's first start by drawing its eyes. So I'm going to come right here and draw a circle. And then come right across, a little bit wider, and say about right here. Just draw another circle. So now I have my two circles in, let's make them draw so cute eyes. So two small circles inside for highlights, and a curved line at the bottom, and shade in the top. And lines at the bottom, and same thing over here. So I have my eyes in, let's go above each eye. We're just going to draw a soft curve. And then in between the eyes, we're going to draw this mouth that's a little bit wobbly. So let's say come about right here, right between and towards the center. We're going to curve up slightly and then come down and wobble out again. So just trying to make it look like a salamander's mouth. And then now that we have that, let's go ahead. We're going to frame the face. So let's come to the center of your eye and come out nice and wide. So say about right here. I'll just give myself a point and here. And then from there, I'm going to basically go around, and we're just aiming to draw this dumpling shape all around. So we'll come right here and start to draw a curve that goes around the eye. And I'll just give myself a point since I'm drawing pretty big. So say about right here, nicely in the center. Kind of know where I'm going. I'm just going to draw this curve that comes down. Go right there. Same thing here. And connect. And then now that we have that, let's go up. So this is the wider part of our face. So it's going to be a little bit wider here. And then we're going to go up to about right here. And then come down. So just take a look and play around. If it's easier for you to draw this head shape first and then put in the eyes, definitely do that as well. So I'm just going to come back in here and just try to fix everything. Let's see here. So we're going to be here, a little bit wider. Okay, so now you have your basic head shape in. Let's go ahead and we're going to draw the body. We'll save the head ferns for later. So let's come by right here and here, nicely in the center. We're just going to draw this basic body shape. So we're just going to angle down, and then about right here, I'm going to curve it in and connect it at the bottom right here. And connect. Okay, so very basic. It looks like a mushroom almost, right? Then let's come back right down here. Let's draw the legs since we're here. So I'm just going to pop out these little curve right here, round it off, and bring it in. So nice and simple. So same thing here. Just round it off and bring it in. So I'm totally simplifying this salamander creature here, making it very cartoonish. Hopefully you love it. And right here, just going to draw two little lines. And then for the hands, we're just going to bring them about right here towards the center and up. So same thing here. And add two little lines again. There. And then we're going to draw the tail. So let's come down here and we're just going to draw this little long tail, give it a little curve to about right here. And then just go ahead and connect it, round off the tip, And then we're going to add some of this fin around it. So just wobble and connect. There, it's coming together, right? So the most important part that makes this salamander extra cute are the head ferns, or sometimes they're called external gills. I'm not too sure which one it's actually, because that's what Google's telling me. So let's come about right here in this side area, and we're going to add 3 of these curves. So I'll start about right, let's say about right here, and I'm just gonna go up and bring it in. So I'll draw 3 of them. So I'm going to skip some space because I need to draw something around them, right? So 1 more here, maybe a longer one and then a shorter one. So skip some space and about right here and connect. So then from there we're going to draw around it. So let's come right here. We're just going to give a little curve and then go all the way around. And a little curve and then in. So we're going to do the same thing here. So whatever space, you can overlap it. All the way around. And then pop it out. The same thing here. So if you hit, you don't have enough space, just tuck it under. And in. There. So then let's come to the other side. So this is just a way to draw it to make it simpler without having to go like zigzag all the way around it. I thought just a little bit simpler. So let's go ahead and we're going to do the same thing on this side, hopefully. So I'm just going to drag a point across just so I know approximately this one here is about the same height. And then bring it in. And I'm just going to drag this one across. And so this one's a little bit longer. And 1 more. And in. There. So once again, we're going to draw the same thing all around it. So go up. Give a little notch, and then a little notch, and then bring it in. So like right here, I'm just going to overlap it. And 1 more. Oops. And in. Ta-da! So cute, right? Hopefully. That makes such a big difference, right? It makes it what an axolotl is. And then I thought it'd be really cute if you like. You can even make it more cartoonish and extra cute. I'm going to add a heart right here. Bring it down to about here. And connect. And that is pretty much it for my version of this cute salamander. I really hope I helped you draw it fun and easy today. And if you loved it and I helped you out, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.